Hey, Apex traders, how you doing? I was actually just finishing up recording the video for this for today's Apex, um, Apex YouTube recap. But just as I was finishing up with that video, a trade came in. So the previous video thumbnail was going to be no trades today. We actually ended up missing the first trade of the day. I was on live with the members, and I had got asked a question about cryptos, FX, a different chart. So it took my attention away a bit, and I missed the first trade of the day. So today was going to be a no trade day, and that was the initial video I had shot. Now, just as I was finishing up and wrapping up that video, doing the final editing, a really solid trade came in. Now I wanted to go ahead and do a review. I ended up botching the trade a bit due to trying to manage both at the same time. Now, we are new to going live every day, so we tried to hurry up and go live at the same time as the trade was occurring and ended up fumbling with the keys and not getting the trade to full fruition. That's okay. Still ending up with a nice green day for day 2 of the Apex challenge, Apex funded account trader challenge that we are doing. So let's go ahead and do a quick review and wrap this video up. All right, here we go. So here goes today's trades. So for those of you watching, if you saw yesterday's video, we pretty much trade the exact same thing every day. We have a custom algorithm, custom scripts that we give to our members. So especially if you are in a funded account, Top Step, Apex, any of those, this is a great place to start. Have professional analysis, professional tools in your corner, helping you to achieve what you're looking to achieve with these funded accounts. Or if you're just trying to grow your own account, this is a great place. What are you waiting for? Stop watching these videos. You're going to see this account grow and grow and grow, and you're going to wish you signed up previously. Sign up, ask about our 7-day trial, put it in the comments below, and we'll be able to help you get signed up. So this was yesterday's trade, if you remember. If you did not see yesterday's video, go back and watch yesterday's video. This was yesterday's trade. It actually was a failed setup. Did not work, and we still managed to pull out first profit target on it. Go ahead and watch that video to see that full recap and why we took that trade there. Now, as far as today, we had an initial bar here that we were looking for. Now, we had posted this live in the live trading room. What we were looking for here was called a cycle 1. First bar gives you a pause moment, and then what you look for is the push, and then that low to be taken out like so. This is going to cause shorts to heavily push into it, and also the longs who got trapped today. Look at the daily analysis recap today that we did on the YouTube channel as well. So this was going to come down here to where into this zone to create a little bit of sideways action and a secondary signal, right? This is our algorithm and scripts that we use for our members. Now, when this did not occur, this locked in the earlier plan on the day. We had a sideways range day. Again, go ahead and watch that recap video. And then that not occurring, went ahead and told us we're going to push higher, double top, and pull back. How do we wait for that? We go ahead and wait for a signal. Same as yesterday. Remember we discussed yesterday this setup here? First orange arrow comes in, tells you to get prepped and ready, and then the bar comes in, gives you your entry signal, stop, and profit target, and a trailing. All done for you. Not that hard, guys. But just as this bar had closed, we were like right here, right? We were waiting, thought we'd get more of a push. Went ahead and switched over to a different chart. Switched over to this chart here. We were going over in the live room. We had got asked a question about Bitcoin and some of these Forex markets. We are actually looking at this for a short yesterday. So we're over here chit-chatting. Go back to check on the trade, see if it was ready yet. And boom, we're in this candle here. Oh, they just get one of those like, no moments, right? Right here in this candle, we start to hurry up and prep the order for the entry, and boom, just floor falls out. Completely missed this trade. Nothing we could do about it. Our fault for taking the eyes off of the screen. So we thought it'd be a no trade day, no trade recap. Actually went ahead and just sat tight the rest of the day, not did much. There was one more setup for not the Apex portion of the day for this trading challenge, but go ahead and watch that YouTube video. The day's analysis recap. One of our members called out a beautiful pendant, and we actually went through and explained what would occur when that pendant fails. So that happened nicely. And as far as the Apex Challenge, we were just wrapping up today's video when this occurred. Here's that second yellow bar. Same as we discussed yesterday. And we were discussing while we were in live chat in the morning with the members. Second yellow bar comes in, tells you to wait. Boom, you grab that flush entry. So we got long right here. You can see where the exit was. Right here, second yellow bar comes in, or in this case, third yellow bar on the day, but second yellow bar on the setup. Beautiful, beautiful setup here. Gives you for a nice, just about 20 points. Look at it, just ridiculous. Great move, about 0.5% almost on an index, right? And a full cycle took place. Notice this. If you watched yesterday's videos, if you're watching the recaps, notice how these cycles work. We told you guys earlier that this cycle was not valid. This is what you want to see. Some red, some green, right, in a formation. So if you want to know how those formations happen, come on in, join us, join the J9 group. You'll find out more about that. Ask about the 7-day trial. Now, as far as the Apex trade, we'll go ahead and pull up those of you in Apex as well. You know that we use Ninja. Apex uses Ninja for their brokerage. So you can see here was the trade. We flushed down. As we were flushing down, we got long. Now here where the problem came into place. We actually were fumbling with the keys, or I was fumbling with the keys because I'm the one in charge of going live. So we try to go live for the members to demonstrate and have them catch this trade along with us. We had been expecting a move into this zone on the SPY. So the SPY zone was 443.17. As soon as that came in, we were buying long here. We look up and what we have here, well, you can't see it because it's blocked out on yours, but there was right down here, only quantity 1. No, and then you get another one of those no moments. So a little bit frustrating there. Only ended up with 1 contract, so we had to wait for this bar to close. We got in down here, this bar closed, ended up taking profit, thinking that we had 10 contracts on. We did not. On this pullback here, got back in, was only able to get up to 6 because now the risk reward is skewed, right? We were looking for 10 to 20 contracts down here was the plan. Was not able to get that, unfortunately. We were trying to trade the trade and go live at the same time. Completely botched both. Took us a little bit to get live, get this situated with the OBS, and also took us messed us up on this trade. So, or messed me up on this trade. The other guys got it. There's 4 of us here, so messed me up on this trade while I was fumbling with the keys. But, oh well, there's always another day. So on this pullback here, we ended up catching in, grabbing some more. We were only able to get up to 6. Ended up exiting on this bar here. Again, we enter with bracket orders, so bracket order got filled on the push before we can even adjust the order. So we left all this on the table and still were able to knock out a solid day of 837.50. So not a bad day, not a bad second day in the Apex Challenge. We are excited to be doing this alongside with you guys. So if you want to know more, if you want to sign up for the Apex program, there is a link in the bio. Go ahead and click on that link or use coupon code MATH50. That'll go ahead and get you 50% off any Apex product that you buy. That is a separate company. We are not necessarily affiliated with them. We just use their affiliate link and trying to provide you guys with some solid material, solid YouTube content, as well as a access to start trading. For those of you who don't have your own accounts, looking to gain a funded account with professional education, with professional mentors at your side, and professional tools. Again, we offer scripts, we offer bots, we offer the day-to-day analysis, and great trades like this one. Look at yesterday, 2 bot trades. Yesterday, trade did not come to fruition. Today, this one is. This would have netted had we still been in it and been prepared with the, or we should have chosen, I should have chosen to not try and go live. We'll see how tomorrow plays out. Maybe tomorrow we just leave the live stream running all day. But this right here would have netted on that account with the 10-20 contracts we wanted. This would have been about a 15K move, which is majority of the funded account challenge. So again, not hard, just takes a little bit of patience. Had to wait all the way till the end of the day to catch a trade and ended up botching it since trying to go live. But nonetheless, solid move there. We'll look for another one of these each and every day. There is opportunity out here in this market, guys. If you have the correct guidance, have mentorship, and the proper tools. So locking up today with 837.50, and we'll go ahead and close it up, call it a day. See you guys in tomorrow's video.